Time is now, time is now. Country roads, country roads. Take me home, take me home, take me home. To the place, to the place, to the place. I belong, I belong, I belong. Colorado, Colorado, Colorado. I love my mama, love my mama, love my mama. Take me home, take me home, take me home. Country roads, country roads, country roads, country roads, country roads, country roads. Take me home, take me home. Hello, everyone. We are at CORT 2025, and I'm so happy to be showing you all the litness and greatness of CORT. Right now, we're in the woods, and we're about to go on a trail skate with my crew, and then we're going to go to some of the skate parks to see everybody do some cool skating. But I want to show everyone the campground and get it going. Good sleeping. Got my some snacks.
I know we're all like that though.
My campsite.
I would want to use them.
They do wolf culling that way too.
Yeah, Michigan does that.
They're allowing it.
Taylor baby. Hey, morning, morning.
Wisconsin does wolf and mountain lion.
Paul baby, what's good, brother? Morning, morning.
People in Colorado are like reintroducing
Hey.
it, but then in Michigan they're like, yeah, we can kill 1,000 wolves. No one gives a shit.
They're trying to maintain the caribou population.
That's
and
clear, look at
wolves
that.
are taking
Because
them
they
down.
move up north.
Great
They
quality.
just
Yes.
kind of
Wisconsin.
cull some of the
just get
wolves in the land.
I'll have her a little bit.
Sometimes
John the
it
man.
But there's also a shit ton of deer in
Have a little
Wisconsin.
bit.
You know how many times I've driven through Wisconsin and Iowa and had straight sheer anxiety because the family's asleep? Because every 20 foot is a fucking deer. And you don't see shit in the woods. It's so dense. All you see is and a truck.
Got Drew RV. Hey, there he is. What's good, bro? Jimmy, a legend for sure. What's good, Jimmy? You a legend, bro. Definitely a legend, bro. Hey.
He also likes hentai. What I heard.
Jimmy, take it a tinkle. This is where all the magic and partying happen. You just couldn't tell right now, but it get lit right here. This is where all the litness happens. And that's my chair. I left my chair here last night. Good morning, Nikki.
Morning.
Hey, morning, Di. Like a champion.
Well, see, I have like a.
Morning, Brock, man.
slept for 12 hours last night.
12 hours.
All of it. I skated 18 miles
18 miles.
around the lake.
18. Wow. Today?
No.
Oh, yesterday. Okay, about to say it's early.
The
18 miles already. What have you all been doing?
I've done that.
Snoozing.
Supposed to meet someone.
Drew, man, it's good, bro.
And I just like.
The sunshine on your face,
I have a
man.
lot of anxiety since I stopped drinking. That's probably why I drank in the first place. So yeah, going to downtown, it's like all parallel parking, $2 an hour, use the app that I can't download because I don't have service. I'm just like, fuck this meeting, fuck this job.
I was gonna say, wait, yeah, what?
Service calls, I get downtown, can't park with my service man.
That's Billy. I think Billy's still sleeping. Yeah, he's like undercover. Can't see in there.
Remember the male rompers? I can't believe that was almost a thing for like a good year. Remember the male rompers, right? Like they were making rompers for men to wear. It's like a one.
All right, so happy Saturday morning at CORT. Good morning. Rise and shine. Rise and grind. Well, we're not really grinding. I'm going to say rise and relax for CORT 2025. Let's get it, baby.
They walk right into it then? They're not expecting a fucking trunk there? Yeah. I didn't even like think people like that existed yet. So mad. What? Not pink. Oh.
You're killing it, Jenny. You're killing it. I love the vibes. I love the vibes. I had to catch it. That was like all the vibes. I had to catch that. I was like, that's fire. Okay, hey, okay.
Where were you? Oh. But I wonder if they were like in a. No, but you know what? I have heard that a little more break-ins at trailheads now because everybody's got more.
Ooh.
And then people just go and it's like nice, expensive REI.
Ooh.
So fucked up. I was just like, because it's like, you have to get to the trailhead though. Right. To do that. Like, that is some pathetic.
Oh.
Okay. That's it for now.
Yeah, middle of fucking nowhere to do this dealing. Someone who's like predictably like, I want better shit. We're like,
Good. Some of them were small in there's still another 6.
Hey, Billy.
Oh yeah, I made like.
Good morning.
I did use. Let's go skate.
Let's go skate.
Hey Billy, are you going to all the parks today?
I,
Okay, cool.
hey.
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 Oh, okay. Yeah, you can set it up whenever. Can I keep something open? Yeah. Hi.
Hey.
Used to work for a flour milling company, so we used to talk about how baking at Denver and baking at sea level is completely different. But it's the amount of reaction of the oxygen in the atmosphere. There's not as much oxygen, so heat just operates a little bit differently.
Wait, okay, so as being a new person to a high altitude living, what are you actually supposed to do differently for like baking instructions?
It's typically a lot flatter, so you may have to put more like baking soda in there than you normally would. Something like that, yeah.
If you're making Yorkshire pudding like the old-fashioned way, where you let it rise without good, yeah. You know how the ones that
It just won't. It just doesn't react here in the atmosphere.
wow, okay.
This one's only 5
Really?
What's up, buddy?
Good, Taylor. Hey. This is going to be good.
You want to try to get over there?
See, look. Oh, yeah, I'm kind of ready in like next less than 10 minutes.
Yeah, I can pack up now.
Yeah.
I'm going to grab some stuff out of my trunk.
Hey.
My trunk was open.
Trunk was open.
Yep. My battery would have died, so I had to fix that.
Mm.
Oh, 5 already. Oh, 5. Amazing. have like a whole plate.
My coworker made it seem like it was like literally just drinking water.
Oh, this is my friend Annie.
I think I can.
Yes.
Maybe.
Right over
Yeah,
there.
yeah. Thank you. What are you drinking? What is that?
Oh, there's coffee. Do you want to try it?
Yeah. You guys get coffee.
Alright, I'm gonna head to Leadville and just stay there and then come back here if anyone wants a ride for that.
Oh, can you turn it off?
I'm right behind you. Gotta clean up first.
Okay.
So you're heading to Leadville now?
Anyone's
Yeah,
going
then
now?
just gonna come back in the afternoon.
Leadville, we go.
You wanna?
Oh, it's like right here.
This is pretty dope. Really dope. Out here. Hey. Hey.
How do you get down to the water?
Wow. That's crazy. Oh, yeah, bro. Okay. Hey, he lit.
Oh, this little man's gonna go.
He's too little to be doing that.
Oh.
Be careful.
You know what he's doing?
He's too little. That's deep. That's why he waiting. Oh yeah, bro, he lit. He lit. He lit. Hey, bro, you are lit. We just watching him do that. Got the drone. This is lit. Hey.
Going in?
I'm watching. I'm watching. Hey, crazy. Oh, you got it, bro. You got it, man. You fearless. I know y'all scared. That shit, I'm not doing it. I wouldn't do it. Ooh! Hey! Yeah, bro. Y'all brave. I know he's scared. Look, if they messing with us, better be careful. I know he's scared. He shouldn't do it. He shouldn't do it. Shouldn't do it. Not even worth it. Got the crevices. Look at that. That's beautiful, man. That's crazy. He's not gonna do it. He shouldn't do it. I'm gonna wait. They're goated, dude. They're pretty fearless. I wouldn't do it.
You wouldn't do it?
Nope. Would you?
Oh yeah, I'd do it.
Oh, hey, be careful. They rock climbing out here, bro. They different. Look at that. Bro, they different. Hey, bro, y'all tough, bro. I respect y'all, bro. I respect y'all, bro. They even rock climbing out here, bro. With no protection or nothing, bro. Look at that water, though. That's crazy. Wow. Woo! T-Dog in the flesh. In the flesh. Sipping the light, sipping the light. Feeling the light. Everything gonna be alright. Oh, they about to jump. Ooh, it's cold. Ooh. It's so clear. They jumping off. Bro, look how clear this is though. Look. Look at this. Cold. It's cold. Feels good though. It's very cold though. Oh, it's not like a heated pool at all. Oh, it actually. Oh. Oh, it's very cold. It's very cold. Woo. That's very cold. That's crazy. Oh, whoa. Oh, it's so cold. Oh, it's so cold, bro. It's so cold. It's definitely alright. Got the water shoes on. Light floaty. It hurt. It's like a hurt cold. It feels good, but it's that cold, bro. I want to dunk, but it's too cold. It's too cold. It's too cold to dunk. Alright, I'll do one. Oh, it's so cold to dunk. Oh, it's so cold to dunk. I don't want to dunk. It's like
You can do it.
ooh.
And I floated. Oh, I love this. Oh my goodness, bro. I'm living right now. Oh. Wow. I love this. Oh. My goodness.
You gonna post this?
I have, this is me, ultimate life. Without this life jacket, I would not be floating like this. Oh, it's so cold. Oh.
It's pretty deep.
That's very cold. Oh.
Go on that rock.
Oh, that's so cold, bro. Wow. Wow. Dude. You can't lay in that too long.
You get numb.
You get numb. It's, wow.
Yeah, that's why I
That's
climb
crazy.
up here because my legs are confused. Like, can I get over there?
Oh my.
It's cold.
Hey, bro, I saw you. You lit, bro. Respect. Respect, though, bro. For real. Respect, bro. You jump too, bro? You did. I can tell you jump. I can already tell respect, bro.
Thanks, bro.
Yeah, I'm just watching them.
your channel called?
My name, Edmund, E-D. Yep, E-D-M-O-N-D. You be in it. Hey, there he is, my man. What's your name, bro?
Matthew.
Matthew. You got YouTube? Oh.
I have TikTok.
What's your TikTok?
E-Rod Matthew.
E-Rod Matthew? E-Rod Matthew. Bad, bro. Bad. Oh, we missed a jumper, but E-Rod Matthew, that's my man's though. Hey. It's still bluffing. It's still bluffing. Yep, all that bluffing. Oh yeah! That was hard. That was hard. Oh shoot. Oh yeah! Okay! That was hard. That was hard. Oh shit. Oh shit. Oh my goodness. Oh, okay! Oh yeah! Okay! That's lit! She's lit! Oh. Oh! Yo, wow. Old girl definitely did a flip, but it's okay. But old girl did a flip, and that's definitely a little different. That's crazy. That's so crazy. Hey, Nikki.
Hey. What up? Let me not die.
Yeah, I see the bee. Oh, it's a butterfly, butterfly.
If I'm in your way, let me know. Come on, someone's gotta jump here.
They bluffing. He a legend though. He gonna go.
jumped off yet?
I'm not jumping. I know better.
That looks a little treacherous.
Yeah, I'm good. I'm good.
That's crazy.
I know I can do it, but I'm not even trying to. Nope.
I jumped from down there, and that was exciting enough.
Yeah, I'm not even doing that one probably.
That one was all right. I can do that one. I was telling this guy, I want to go and salamander on a rock. So.
I'm gonna get one more person, and then.
Yeah, then I'm cracking my beer and chilling.
Harder y'all, bro. She lit. Ooh! Hey, she more lit than y'all, low key. She more lit than y'all, low key. She went back to back quicker than y'all. Somebody gotta say something. I think that's something. I'm not jumping, so I can't say nothing. But for her to go back to back like that, that's wow. Yeah. She harder than them. She more fearless, I would think. Like, kind of obvious. I'm not joking. I know better. I got a life jacket on. You are amazing. Really, you are harder than them, really. That's amazing though. You in it, bro. What's your TikTok one more time?
E-Rod Matthew.
E-Rod Matthew. Yeah, bro. I got it though. I'm putting it on there for real. I will. E-Rod Matthew. I got you, bro. No, wait, a little girl doing it. Oh my goodness.
Una, dos, tres.
Woo!
Let's go, Doris!
She is brave.
Doris! Come on, Doris!
Yeah, Riz! Yeah, Iris! Okay, Iris! Why you got rock climb, man? To live more life. Yeah! That was hard, bro. That was probably the toughest one all day. That was the toughest one all day. Wow, bro, that was. Ooh! Yeah, y'all got it, bro. Y'all got it, bro. Y'all got it, bro. Y'all not doing that. Y'all not doing that. They not doing that. Do it.
Good job.
Yeah, Iris, that was nice. That was very nice. Great job, Iris.
Thank you.
Great job. Y'all goated, bro. Y'all the only one doing that. Y'all the only one doing it. They talking about it, but respect, bro. The crazy follow-up, bro. That's not easy. Look, he just ready to fall off the rock. Like, why he got it? Why is he doing? Like, why is he rock climbing? He just want to fall off on an accident into the water, low key. Low key, he want to fall into the water on an accident. Low key, low key. Different. Oh yeah, he have to encourage him how to get done with life quicker. He not jumping. Oh shit, he gonna do it. Oh yeah! Woo! Woo! Oh shit, yeah! Get some space now. Woo! Look. Officially not, look. Trusting his equipment. That's all he doing is trusting his equipment. Oh shit. I'll get this, yeah. Okay. There you go. There you go. Get that thing right. Get that thing right. Get that thing right. Yep. Get it right. Wow. Oh, okay. Definitely. Be safe, Nikki. He's scared a little bit, of course. Understand. I understand. Oh! Oh, shit! Yeah, bro! Damn! Nobody else doing that. That's crazy. That could have been way worse than what that was. I'm ending on that note. I'm ending on that note. That was crazy. Had the greatest day. They crazy out here. They crazy out here.
To the place, I belong. Colorado. I love my mama. Take me home. Country roads. Take me home. Country roads. Take me home. Those country roads. Time is now.